Good afternoon, all of you. Yesterday I completed about the selectors. 4 selectors only completed. Next we have still 6 more selectors, but the balance selectors will discuss after some time. Because continuously if I explain, the selectors are mixing. So it's a very dangerous process discussing all selectors at the same time. So we'll take a small gap, then we'll go for the balance selectors. And now today we are going to implementing a small application. Last 3 days, 4 days, what are the things we learned, especially last 3-4 days. With this knowledge, we are trying to design a small application. Web page, sir. Web page, but as a problem, not like as a just example. So first I'm going to focusing on grid application. I'm designing an example with the grid concept. Division tag we are going to using, and the grid concept we are using, and recent discussing CSS selectors also we need here. It's a combination of division tag plus the recent discussing grid concept plus the selectors. And regular tags, the commons are images, headings, paragraphs, those all are the common things. Nothing special. And what we are going to designing, sir? I'm showing that web page. So this is our Naresh IT website, our institute official website, this one. If you scroll down, here we have the small part here, our services and heading is available. So how to design this one, sir? One option grid, the single row, 4 columns. Best option flex, because flex automatically comes the side by side. That is flex or grid, both we can use. And both not required, either flex or grid. Which is preferable generally, sir? Flex preferable, because we have only one row. Your page or your content should be displayed in more than one row, then only prefer the grid. Single row scenarios, single column scenarios, always prefer to use flex concept. Better coding. If it comes down, sir, get a courses list displaying of 10 courses available. Course related image, course name, bottom some star symbols, bottom some view course. This is grid, pure grid, 2x5 matrix. 2 rows and every row contains the 5 columns. Like that. This is again flex. This is also flex. Well, again, this is grid. 2 rows, 3 columns. Grid only here. This the white color part is total grid. But now first application we are going to designing this one. A white color area is there, na? That one as easily we are designing with our own coding. Content this only, but logic is our own. Before going to the code, first identify how many items are available here. Then we'll get an idea. First of all, this is, it's look like as a heading, but it's not heading. Or what is that, sir? You can use either label tag or you can use either paragraph tag. How can say it's not heading, sir? Observe the 2 words of framing. One name of thick letters, one word is name of thin letters. If you take one HTML, H1 tag, H2 tag, sir, the whole data is comes in the same format. But one word is the thin letters available, one word is the thick letters available. So it's not a single tag. 100% it's not a single tag. Two tags a combination. Otherwise, one tag inside they use some special coding also. So what is this tags are? What they use at background, I don't know, sir. With our HTML knowledge, this we can design with the paragraph concept. Otherwise, we can design with the label concept. Anything okay, both. Next one, what is this? Image. Paragraph. Or a girls or a paragraph. Huh? And next, what is this, sir? Heading tag. That is pure heading. And what is this one, sir? It's a paragraph. One image, one heading, one paragraph. But what about these three? Same. So these repeated 6 times. 6 images, 6 headings, 6 paragraphs. But now where is division tag? Where is division tag? Every cell is a division tag. Every cell is a division tag. This is one division tag. One cell. Subdivision tag, that one. This is another division tag. Like that, how many division tags are? Division tags also 6. 6 subdivision tags, and every division tag inside 3 content. Every division tag inside number of content is 3. One image, one heading, and one paragraph. So but already 24 tags. 24 tags already. Huh? Use the brain here little bit. Maybe you are in the rest position and sleep mode. So please wake up and you watch the screen. 24 tags already we identified or not? How? 6 division tags. Every division tag inside 3 sub tags. So total main content is 4 items. So like that 6 times it is repeating. Then 24 tags. Next, this is the 25th tag. This is the 25th tag. Next, but these 6 division tags we have to place inside one main division tag or not? Then only it becomes as a grid. These 6 are the 6 cells. These 6 cells we have to place inside one main division tag. That is our actual concept, grid. A big rectangle box is your grid. Grid inside 6 boxes. Now 26 tag number. Next, training features available. If you take the label tags or if you take any paragraph tags that also should be placed inside one main division tag. One division tag separate for that one. For the separate settings, for the separate look. This is another division tag. A division tag inside training features is the content. But this red box, green box, both again we have to place inside the one more container. Necessary, yes, sir. Conformly, sir. So this green color division box, red color division box, both we have to place inside one more division tag. That is your pink color box. Now observe the screen, sir. All of you. I'll ask some small points. So try to give the better response. Before that, please wake up. Afternoon, you are taking lunch, right? So lunch after directly coming to sessions. Tomorrow onwards, do one thing. In that lunch, sambar rice, curd rice, try to reduce. Take the small amount of sambar rice, take the small amount of curd rice. I'll avoid the curd rice, no problem. Don't take the afternoon curd rice, right? Class not available, your wish. Full curd rice. Curd rice confirmly sleepiness comes. It's not only healthy, it's creating some clumsiness also. So from tomorrow onwards, so try to change the lunch menu. Less amount of sambar rice. Sambar also creating sleepiness. Guarantee. Curd rice will maximum avoid it. Then you will get into attention body. Now, first of all, ladies first. Man India tradition, the girls first. They're fighting also the equal rights we need. We are giving, take the equal rights. Madams, how many division tags available? Total division tags count. Huh? Observe one's picture carefully, say that answer. Total how many division tags available? Huh? Girls, 9. Sure, huh? Say once again loudly. Blood అది loudness. Huh? फिर से बोलो. अब्बा पिंडे sir. Okay, sir. That voice, their voice, that only. So 9, confirm. First you said 6, then you changed answer to 9. 9 or 6? 9. Girls backside 5 rows boys. అంటే దీస్ అయితే we can call directly boys. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ బాయ్స్ అంటే దీస్ మిక్సింగ్ కదా, అందుకని స్పెషల్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్. So girls backside 5 rows boys. They are saying 9 division tags, right? So 9 no. 9 wrong. 11. 7 okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. And this rows boys, this side boys, 9. Online students, what you give an answer? 7, 10, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 6 plus 1. Formula also. Okay, sir ji. 9 is the right answer. 9 is right answer. Agar observe, sir. Small red color boxes 6 available. Big red color box 1. Green color box 1. Pink color box 1. One pink color, one green color, one big size red box 3, and 6 small red boxes. Total is the 9 division boxes. Right answer, that one. Balance things, it's clearly visible to you. Out of these 9 division tags, 6 images required, and 6 paragraphs required, and 6 headings required, and 1 label or 1 paragraph. Choice is yours. Is main heading, separate heading. So this is the code what we required. What we are designing, we are taking some part of the some other website web paging. For designing of that particular part, to how many tags required, we just identified. Now we are going to starting the coding. So before starting the code, we need a 6 images downloading. But because the same images we want to display on the screen, I have already that images, sir. I'm just copy pasting. In my folder is there. Otherwise, you can just right click to save image. I already shown previous sessions how to download. Right click on the image and go to save image. This is every image, right click, save, right click, save. I'm just copying the images from other folder into our folder. And all images names are uniform names. Icon 1, icon 2, icon 3, icon 6. All are PNGs. But for easy identification, the serial names I continues. That's all. Icon 1 to icon 6 and all are the PNG images. These all images I just copy pasted into our folder HTML and images. Images ready. Then go to the program. We need some CSS, sir. External CSS I'm using. Any specific reason, sir? No serious specific reason, sir. Application and we are taking heading up. So as per the application, external is preferable always. So I'm going to using external. External or internal code same. Internal code available along with you. External code available outside the room. But logic is not going to changing. So CSS file creation, we know already, but once again, I'm showing that one. So go to the file menu, new, others, file menu, new, others, and select in this box CSS. Okay, a blank file is created here, and save this file with the name of grid styles, because application grid application. So grid styles I'm going to taking here, grid styles.css. This is the name of my application. So an empty CSS is ready. What we have to write the code, that we'll discuss later. First, we'll prepare the HTML content. After preparing of the content, then apply the styles. Coding becomes easier. First, to prepare the data, then apply the markup. So this is I'm currently holding, sir. Then back to HTML. First of all, linking of the external CSS. Link followed by rel equals to style sheet, and href equals to grid styles.css. File name I just mapped. Linking is done. In diagram, what I explained, follow the same pattern. First, pink color box. That is the main divs and tag. So this is main divs and tag, pink color box. And inside this pink color box, two sub boxes. One is the green color, second one is the red color. As per my explanation, I'm saying that one. So take these are the sub divs and tag. This is for main heading, training features. Like that, one more divs and tag. This is for the grid preparation. Grid comes here, sir. Grid options are comes inside this divs and tag. But inside this divs and tag, how many divs and tags required, sir? 6 required. Like this, we need the 6 total. So for your easy identification, I'm writing some comments, sir, which divs and tag, what it is representing. And the second one, if you observe my previous all examples, including this one, when I'm typing the programming, I'm giving some small space here. From the day one of, from the first example onwards, I'm following all these things. Why you are giving the always spaces like this, sir? The spaces are called as the indentation. Indentation or indent. Indentation is the very, very good quality for programmers. Yes, sir. If you are not followed the indentation while typing the programs in any programming language, dash you can fill yourself. It's a first, and it's a very, very good habit also. Why the indentation, sir? If I'm writing the 300 lines of code, suppose, what is general writing style for us? Generally, we are typing like this, steps all are one by one, one by one. But which is the main step, which is the sub-step identification is impossible. For that, you have to spend some time. In that spending of time, maybe headache is comes, maybe eye strain also comes. Guarantee, sir. For avoiding of these problems, write always like this. Main step, the outside. This is sub-step. This is sub-step. This is another sub-step, sir. Gaps you have to follow always. But you are not getting headache and eye strain while observing the program. There's a very, very good habit for good programmers. From today onwards, better follow this one in any subject, not only HTML. Are you following us, sir? I'm following in every example, sir. Maybe not observed, you are not focused, I think. Observed, huh? Yes. You're now also following the same thing. You see this one. But still, I'm writing comments, sir. So this is the main container, the primary container. And what about this one, sir? This is the subcontainer one. Subcontainer one. For what purpose, sir? Displaying of the heading. So subcontainer one for heading. Next, this is the subcontainer two for grid. For grid display, 2x3 matrix. But what is this internal division tag again, sir? Coming to that only here. This is not subcontainer, sir. It's a nested container. This is nested container one for content displaying. For content. Like this nested containers, how many it will come, sir? Total 6 comes. But I'm not doing the 6 copy pasting. First, we are finishing the container one. No? After creation of the code, you can copy paste it a lot of times saving. Because every container inside, we have the same tags only. IMG tag, paragraph tag, and heading tag. Why instead of typing 6 times? First, finish the first box completely. Then copy paste it. Your time also saving, risk also reducing. So running nodes candidates could be careful, sir, because program up, down, up, moving. The application. I have to explain the step by step. So first I'm writing one step. Why I'm writing? We are discussing that one. Maybe if any corrections available, coming back and modifying of the code. Okay, starting from the first one here. What I'm taking, sir, a label tag. What is the heading of that one, sir? Training features. But one word thick available, one word normally it will come, sir. No problem, sir. Features tag apply the strong. For features apply the strong tag. The one word normally it will come, sir. Another word strongly it will comes and label close. Same place can I use paragraph also, na, sir? 100%. Label not interested, you can go for paragraph also. There is no problem. Same place can I use H1 tag, sir? Waste. Because H1 tag inside strong doesn't works. H1 tag inside is strong tag doesn't works. Reasons are already heading tags comes with the boldness. H1, H2, H3, H4 always they're printing with the letters thickness only. Then if you apply the strong, no use. Already strong activated here in heading tags. So heading don't prefer, sir. Other than heading, anything is okay. No objections. But once run this program up to this. But observe the letters. Training normally it will comes and features are thick letters are coming. But it's coming in the left side of the web page. So get into the center. Align center. Where I have to apply align center? For label, for division. Label no, division. You have to apply the settings for your containers. Then automatically it is affecting to content. Content don't apply the settings. Always focus on the containers. Box are moving to center, sir. If the box inside content also moving to center automatically. The content I'm moving to center, sir. Box not moving to center. So containers focus always. So take the division tag, align equals to center. Division align equals to center. And observe once. This is center of your page or center of your division box, it will comes. I already said, except the heading tags, we can use any other tag. Label a paragraph or span are your choice, but don't go for the headings. I said already. Okay, first top part is completed, sir. Second box we are coming here. Second box inside one img tag. src equals to images slash icon1.png and image close. Image next to one h2 tag. But h1 to very big size it will come, so I'm taking better h2 tag. h2 tag next to one paragraph tag. But same style, total 6 boxes we required. But then do the copy pasting now. The first container, first content, second content, third content, fourth content, fifth one, sixth one. Changing name. Container 1 for the content. This is container 2 for the second content. Icon 2. This is 3 for content once again. Icon 3. This is 4 and icon 4. There's a numbers naming changing only. 5 and 6 here. Container 6 and icon 6. Copy pasting is the time saving process, that's all. Container 1 for the first content, second container for the second content, 3, 4, 5, and icon images also I changed. Once take a look of this one. Actual size I'll show it. You are in the magnifier mode. This is original size. 6 images are coming one by one, one by one. A lot of settings required. Task not completed. Next one, I'm copying the data, sir. In website, what is the data available? Same data I'm also copy pasting into our program. So heading is this one. And this is paragraph. Image heading paragraph. Go and check it once. Image heading and paragraph. Repeat the same process for balance. Second one, experts training, and we are placing here. One is heading, one is paragraph. Next, second one, schedule, flexible schedule. And third one, third completed together. Fourth one, specific scenarios. Next, fifth one, e-learning. And the last one, 24/7. So content is completed, sir, 100%. Icon heading explanation. Again, icon heading explanation. Like that, 6 icons, 6 headings, 6 explanations. But vertically it is getting, sir. We are not applied any CSS settings till to now. So normal format they are displaying. HTML content over, sir. HTML coding is completed. See this one. This is your main division tag. Subcontainer 1, subcontainer 2. Subcontainer 1 inside, one small heading, close this. Next is second subcontainer inside, 6 nested containers. And every nested container inside, three items. The 3 items are called as content. Outline is ready. Then start the markup. Markup get ready, yeah? Get ready, yeah? No, no. Place the order in Swiggy or Zomato. No? First settings I'm going to performing on the training features, because training features is displaying very small sizes. So try to increase the size. Very like as ants it displaying. We don't need this one. So I want to apply the styles for that label. But now questions are going on, sir. But how much time this CSS designing? Oh, 10 to 15 minutes. Sir. In 10 to 15 minutes, continuously questions are coming. Just now we completed the last session and day before last session. What I explained, that only I'm asking. Out of explanations, I'm not going. If I asked out of the explanations, sir, compulsory student, I ask, sir, you are not explaining the point. So I have my safety precautions. I want to design some styles for the label. Which is CSS selector required, sir? Universal, tag, idea, class. These are the questions means. Situation I am explaining. 4 choices available, A, B, C, D. A means universal, B means tag, C means ID, class. In these 4, which one is the perfect you have to choose? Tag selector, sure. Total in our web page, how many labels we have? 1 label. So can I go for tag selector? If you have more than 1 label, like the tag selector 100% not encourageable. You must go for ID selector. So luckily we have only 1 label. Tag selector, if we design it, all labels are affecting. All means how many here, sir? Only 1. So our purpose is completed. By chance, if you have more than 1 label, a compulsory ID selector required. So tag selector I'm writing here, sir. Somebody yesterday they asked some questions, sir. Can I write all selectors at a time, sir? Yes, this is the live situation. I'm writing tag selectors, I'm writing class selectors, I'm writing ID selectors also. Situation demanding. I'm not writing, situation demanding. We don't know, sir. That is I'm explaining. Situation explaining, choose the selector. You will get the clarity yourself. So it's a tag selector for label. And what I want to change it, sir, size of the font. So font size, I'll take some 32 pixels. 32 pixels is bigger than the H1 tag. H1 tag compared to this is big size. H1 tag 31 pixels and this is 32 pixels. Any mapping required, sir? Is there any mapping need? No, sir, because tag selector it's directly applying. Refresh the page at 32 pixels. Okay, add another 2 more. 34 pixels. Next one, main division tag, some settings required. Actually, main division tag. Main division tag means this one, sir. This is main container. Some small settings required. Which settings are just background colors, something only. Need. Next, this one we don't need any settings, sir. Already completed those. Then we have to focus on this one. Subcontainer 2. This division tag we need the settings. For this also required some settings, but end of the program I'll write the main division tag. Or up to that, what to do, sir? I'll do one small thing here. Now I want to define the styles for main division tag. But which selector required, sir? Tag, idea, class, ID. 100% we can't go for the class selector, tag selector. Because if you write the tag selector, in our program, 9 division tags available, 9 are affecting. But we want to apply only for the one division tag only, particular division tag only. So you must use the ID selector. Class also we can use it, sir. Class we can use it, sir. Better go for the ID, because these are the personal styles for the main division tag and it's never repeated to any other tags. So prefer ID. Hash followed by the main division. Names, observe, sir. Yesterday, day before yesterday, names we are taking rough names, but now we are taking the programming suitable names. What are the styles required, sir? Just 2-3 styles only. At the end of the program, we'll finalize that one. Just 2-3 lines. Next one, I want to define the styles for 6 nested division tags available. Those, sir. I need the styles for 6 nested division tags. So which selectors are tag, idea, class? Huh? Sound not good. Class selector. ID, why not, sir? 6 tags we want affected. ID 6 tags using is not possible. So ID cross out. But tag is also available, sir. If I write the tag, main division is also got affected. But I want to apply only for the nested division tags 6 only. So the best choice is class selector. So dot name nested division. Nested division, instead of that one, I'm going to taking the grid division, because a nested division we created for the applying of the grid settings. So grid settings are comes here. So I'm writing that one. The future identification problem available, I'll write the comments here, sir. This is class selector for subcontainer 2. This class selector we are defining for the subcontainer 2. What is the first option, sir? Grid. This is the first option, grid. Display grid. Grid is activated. Next, how many columns you required, sir? I need the 2x3 matrix, sir. So write the columns information, grid hyphen, template hyphen, columns colon, auto, auto, auto. 3 autos, nothing but 3 columns. Next one, sir, grid gap. Row wise and column wise, both sides I need the gap, sir. So the gap is 25 pixels I'm taking here. Initial measurements, these. First we'll apply, then what we required in the balance we'll discuss. Is it mapping required or not required? This mapping required or not required? Required. So both mapping required, sir. Go to your HTML program. ID equals to main hyphen division, and second one class equals to grid division. Mapping done. Once go and refresh the page, one level of output it will comes. One level of output completed. Some more required. Grid visible or not visible? A grid. Grid format appearing or not? Yes. Next, what to do, sir? Images very big size available, sir. That we have to reduce. We need so much settings for the grid. Once I'll change the images size. Total 6 images I have in my web page. For the 6 images, I want to apply the styles. Which selector, sir? ID selector or tag selector or class selector? Class, sure. Huh? Why not ID? Sorry, why not tag? How many images we have total? 6. You want to apply for all 6 or some images only? But instead of class, tag better. Because If you define the class also solution, define the class selector and go to the program, do the 6 times mapping, defining one class selector and mapping this class selector for all images. Instead of that, if you define the tag selector, it's automatically affecting about which code is simple. Tag selector only simple. Writing code is not important, sir. Writing proper code is important. Mostly these type of scenarios, you are blindly using the class selectors as per your previous knowledges. I know that one, guarantee. But why a point by point we are discussing, in the sense proper coding, not just coding. Instead of these discussions, blindly writing class selector mappings are code completed. The unnecessary cases also we are using the class selectors. That is the wrong way of coding. So IMG, reduce the size of the images, sir. Width 50 pixels, height 50 pixels. Small pictures I'm displaying exactly like as our Naresh IT website. So once again, this is the tag selector for images. Mapping not necessary. Go to the web page and refresh it. Grid format. Got a clear grid available, and every cell to cell gap is also available here. 25 pixels and 25 pixels. Gap is also there. Now images comes to proper look. Next, what, sir? But 6 cells available. 6 cells inside, content available left side, and get the content into the center. Image, heading, paragraph, everything I need in the center format. So where we have to apply this alignment center? Which division? Huh? Do we have a lot of divisions? 3 levels available, division total. Main, sub, nested. Where we have to apply? Second one is there, na sub there. You can also apply on the nested also. Problem what, sir? 6 nested together, 6 times align equals to center, align equals to center, align equals to center, you have to write. Instead of writing 6 times, so is 6 we placed already one main division tag, na? Better apply to the main division tag. We have the 6 subdivision tags are here, 1, 2, 3. But you want to get the alignments centered to in every division tag. But 6 times generally you have to write the align option. Instead of 6 times, all these 6 placed inside one subdivision tag. Here write the align center. But automatically this one, this, and everything is comes to the center. Oh, who is that? Well, this is subcontainer 2. So go to here and write the text align center. Go and check it once. All components inside their boxes comes in the center place. Inside their grid, all comes into the center portion. Next one. So back to this grid once again, but I want to apply some background colors also. Why, sir? It displaying like as a plain format, sir. It's okay. Actually, the program completed, sir. In Naresh IT website, what we observed, that is done already. Extra things our personal. Once we open the website, in that page, what we observed, what we discussed, that one I already designed here. The white color box we designed with our level of coding, but size difference available, sir. Size different are the font size, that's all. Now where is the size difference? Almost both are same only, right? We can stop the program here. No, sir, I want implement and use your own creativity. At a basic content we collected from there, but we can apply our own options additionally. So we'll stop it. We'll want to some more. Stopping. Some more. Okay. Done. You asked some more only, kada? Yes, I'm printing. So the background, I want to apply the colors, sir, instead of displaying on the plain white color. For every grid, I need the color background. So in which tag we have to write that background? In that main division tag or in this grid division tag or any other additional selector required? Main division tag means this one. No, sir, we need another CSS selector. 6 boxes background color I want to apply. But if I write here, 6 boxes applying, 6 boxes main container applying. 6 boxes main container applying. 6 boxes not applying. I need the 6 boxes background color. Nested division tags available, sir. This box background color I want to change. At a total, we have the 6 nested division tags. Na? These division tags colors I want to change it. So the existing selectors no use. We have to take the another selector. Which is selector? Tag, idea, class. Class. 6 division tags backgrounds you want to change it. ID, how can use the 6 division tags? We have to use compulsory class. Tag no chance, because tag if you apply it, sir, along with the 6 balance 3 is also going to changing. So one more class selector dot. What is that? Nested together. Nested division background colon. I'm taking some yellow color. But 6 boxes will get the yellow colors. And mapping required, sir. Don't forget that. Go to the every tag, mapping required. Class equals to nested division. Six division tags, mapping is required. Now go and refresh it. These are the boxes. We'll go for a little bit light yellow. Yellow ne just darkness reduce it, sir. Yellow boxes. And yellow between white is available. What is this white, sir? It's a gap between the one division to another division. A gap which colors are? Is 6 division tags one container available? Na? A container color that one. These 6 boxes I placed inside one division tag. Na? That division tag color is the white. That also I don't like, sir. Yes, we can change. But how to change that one? Go to the grid division tag. Apply here background. Apply here background. Cyan I'm going to taking, otherwise blue. A gaps filling with the cyan. Actually not gaps, sir. It whole division box blue color filling. But we have the boxes here like the box to box, the gap of blue color is going to visible. 6 division tags grid concept main division tag available. That main division tag color I changed here. But top of this one white color is available, sir. That also we can change by using another division tag. And the next one, cyan place, I'm trying to take the blue color. Yellow and blue combination. And next, lastly, one small thing, sir. But all boxes we are getting with the sharp edges. 6 cells in the grid. Every edge of the 6 cells, sharp edges available here. That I'm going to taking a small curve, cutting. What is the property? Border radius. Where we have to apply that one? In nested, grid, main. Nested, yes. So border hyphen radius colon slight, not much more, 15 pixels. Little bit look changed that one. So cuttings, all four corners, cuttings. Next and the last point, sir. First division tag is there na whole main division tag that available here. I'm just showing like as a box to see that one. The primary division tag that is located here. The primary division tag. That background color is also white only. So web page color is white. This also white. That's a separate look not comes. But I need like this box style of look, sir. This type of box style of look is required. Possible, sir? Yes, sir. I got already selector is waiting for you. Empty. We already mapped also. Background color of box. Box center we have to go for border. So border colon of 5 pixels, solid line, red. That's all. Already mapping done, sir. Now the first division tag is getting into appearance now. The first division tag. Red is the first division tag. Inside white color area, subdivision tag 1. No? Blue color area, subdivision tag 2. Yellow color areas, nested division tags 6. Total 9 division tags. So this much of portion we completed in the whole page. The whole page not designed. In one web page, in a small piece we completed. Further, this number of lines code we developed. Matter. So label selector used, ID selector, class selectors, again tag selector, again class selector. Yesterday somebody they asked a question, in single program can I write the multiple, sir? Almost 3 selectors I covered here, sir. The missing is only universal selector. My program universal selector not required currently. Then only I just skipped that one. The rest of all selectors we have here, and every selector they are going to playing as per their roles. So one application completed, sir. And next one. One more application, grid application only, one more application, just for practicing, sir. The 2 applications, if I started in balance, you can create your own. What is the next application, sir? Movie OTT platforms is available, movies. iBomma, Tamil movie rules, Primo, Aha, something. There also we have grid only. List of movies, how they are going to display in grid format only. Obviously, it's a grid format, the list of movies. First, I'll show the small picture, see that one. We'll open directly that website only. iBomma. Why? Yesterday also I used it here. This is their iBomma online movies website, piracy website. So is it grid or not, sir? Yes, 100% it's a grid only. all the list of movies available side by side, right? Now we are also designing the similar style now. Is it grid? No, those are the flexes. Web series heading, web series flex. Next to foreign dubbing movies, flex. Next to add-ons, flex. These three are the flexes. First one is the grid only. Actual ibomma look could be different, sir. Not like this. I'll show it. Wait. Okay. Concept is that one, sir. But that number of movies we are not creating. Oh, 78 movies I'm taking here. A 78 movies, so 2 rows format I'm going to designing. But try to identify, sir, here. I'll do one small thing here for your visibility point of view. Why time waste? Any URLs images I already downloaded. Homework in home. Yesterday I downloaded one file from the Google Classroom link that only. So for explaining for you, I'm doing the homework. But what you are doing for learning of subject, God only knows. Then yesterday download చేశాను కదా ఏమైంది అది అవలేదా డౌన్లోడ్ అయింది సమయం image names, image URLs, I already copy, pasted and neatly maintain in one file. In classroom, if I want to do all the things, and it's a time taken process. In this gap, you are doing a Gabby. Images email already downloaded, sir. URLs also already prepared myself. These are the URLs also. This is the website. So this is actual look of the original ibomma. Jogi under cinema. Play the movie. Playing movie. So many they're thinking ibomma not working, but it's working. Gimmicks are available. But this is concept, sir. Is it pure grid? Na? But first 2 rows, take the first 2 rows and identify what are the tags available again. From the first 2 rows, try to identify what are the tags that are available. This is one image. This is name of the image. This is year of the image. Name different tag, year different tag generally. This IME tag, this name could be a big size, but H3, H4, we can take that one. The heading tag, this one is label or span. Better go for the span. And this is IMG once again. But these 3 tags available inside one box. That is called as our division. This is first division. Like that, this is the second division. How many movies you want to display? That is number of your, right? I'm going to taking 8 images. I think wait, I'll check it once. 8 pictures I'm taking here. So 2 by 4 I'm going to creating 2 rows and every row contains the 4 movies. In this one small change, sir, ikkada movie name is available, day shift to jogi kerosene or something. A movie name, not a heading. As per the OTT platforms I'm going to using, that is anchor tag, sir. Anchor tag. Why? Imagine once, if I click on that movie name, what happens? Opens the next page or not? Or is it anchor tag or heading generally? Anchor tag, but displaying with the big size letters. Check it here also. So click on the day shift, the hand symbol is there. Click, this is the anchor tag. Next you can play the movie name. So one anchor tag, one span tag, one image and one division. Like the total, how many times they have to repeat it, sir? 8 images I'm going to. 8 images inside, 3 items. 8 cells, every cell inside, 3. Image anchor tag span, image anchor tag span. So already 24. Next, all these things placing inside one main division tag 25. That's all. The extra things, if you are expecting anything, coding is going to increasing. Common thing. Additional, if you need any extra features, coding is increasing. But it 25 tags are the minimum requirements of the tags. Can you reduce any tags, sir, from this 24, sir? We can reduce it. How, sir? Design only one movie. Instead of 8 movies, to create the program only for one movie. Tags reducing, obviously. I want to reduce too much, sir. Skip the program, go to next program. No need to write any line. So 25 is after all, sir. 25 tags using in single program, actually web page designing, it's after all matter. Next, I'm reducing the screen. Once observe what happening here. Adjusting a movies list, not adjusting. But now this is the minimum size, least size. Whenever your browser is expanding, sir, list of movies also increasing. Actually, this is called as the responsive designing. The same website, if I open in mobile, look is different. Same website I've opened in the tab, look is different. Same movies, movies the same, names the same, but number of movies are changing. In mobile site, you will get one by one only. First one movie, second movie comes in the next line, third movie comes in the next line, because mobile width is very, very less. But how we can adjust like this, sir, based on the devices, sir? For that, we have to write the special coding. Not so much, sir. Olden days, we are writing so many lines of code, but current versions, 1 or 2 lines enough. Designing a web page as a responsive model. This is the OTT platform. Now I'm going to showing the second application with responsive mode also. And if you run the program, your computer or your mobile or your TV, as per the size of your screen, my movies list automatically adjusting. Got it a point? Responsive designing in the sense, which this is very big screen, sir. This is also TV, a touch screen. So this is also TV only. It's a very big screen. This is mobile. This is the screen of TV. My mobile size is even not even one image size also. But here that number of data, how can fit into this size, sir? You should write some special coding for that one. Without coding, no chance at all. Without responsive code, if I develop it, what happens, sir? On a flex concept, you remember? The excess content is going out of the browser. You got a horizontal scroll bar activated. You have to rotate left and right. The page is designed with responsive or not. How can identify itself? Content adjusting based on the screen and browser size. Yes, responsive. No, sir, content is going out of the browser. Scroll bars are activating, sir. It's not responsive. There is a symbolic representations. Corona before symptoms, typhoid before symptoms, sugar before symptoms available. Like that, these are the symptoms and not. Okay, now we are starting program. And here I'm going to following internal CSS. Reasons are, I don't need much more settings. Last example, so many settings available. Here, that number of settings not required. Hardly or 6 to 7 lines, that's all. So internal CSS I'm preferring. Now, if you are interested external CSS, I already shown that you can try to practice yourself. So this removed and style forming here. So grid application, which grid is there? Movies grid application. Styles we'll see later, sir. As usual, first we'll focus on the content. So how many divs and tags are? Not much more divs and tags, only couple of divs and tags. The original programming is the main divisions, subdivisions, that all the things common are generally. Remove all these things because content completely different content. This is main container. Now the directly subcontainers. Nested containers are not available. Container and subcontainers directly. This subcontainer or grid also. This subcontainer is also grid. And inside that one, we are going to placing image. As usual, image src equals to images slash hold on. Images we have to copy to our folder, not copied. And after image anchor tag href equals to anchor tag followed by your movie name is comes here and anchor tag close. Next bottom span tag year of release 2002 something like that. If you are interested, sir, a rating also you can print it 3 stars or 4 stars or something. If I interested, to print the rating also, sir, 3 star symbols, sir. General printing, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars like that. No, sir, I need 3.5 stars. I need 4.5 stars, sir. For the direct coding not available, sir. We need the extra coding and special coding also required. So I'm going to taking 3, 4, 5. No and-half, no quarters, no 6, no 7. Points not allowing, only full format only. This we are taking into another span tag. Why, sir? Stars I need in the special color. Star symbols I need in the special color. See the outline, sir. This is the content one. Content one is nothing but an movie one. Directly your understandable format movie one. It's nothing but an content one. Inside this division tag, what are the things we have, sir? One image, one anchor tag, 2 span tags. One span tag displaying the year, one span tag displaying the stars. Before writing the program, I have to copy all these images into our working folder. Eight images I copied successfully. So back to program. And what about the anchor tags, sir? Anchor tags links I already copied, sir. I prepared. On the spot URLs and a complication I just copied already. So this is the first anchor tag. So we are, that is nothing but an Vikram Rona. And what about the image, sir? Image is same image, I think. Image name. Two times వచ్చిందా? Okay, okay. This is the image name, vikramrona.jfif image extension, and this is the live URL, sir. Maybe if you remember my previous explanations, image tags and anchor tags, we can access live websites without downloading. I already shown the example in anchor tags and images also. A live addresses I typed here, original IBOMA address. But when you want to run this program, when you want to test that link, you should have net connection. Without net connection, program is working, but links are not working. So once check this one, sir. One component is ready already. The one picture completed. This is the picture. Just displaying completed and the settings pending. This is the movie poster. Here name of the movie, year of the movie, point. But can I click on this link, sir? 100% directly IBOMA we are accessing. You can play the song also, movie. Your own OTT platform. They're coming side by side, sir. Side by side and just line break option, sir. That is nothing special. So this is also line break. And here stars side by side only required here. But stars year after a movie after a, which one you likes? Rating more rating year after a movie name after a movie name after. Then shift this one to anchor tag. And after the span tag, use the BR. Just position changing, sir, nothing else. But now already one picture completed together. And what is the next technique? Copy, paste, change the movie name and change the URL. That's all. So I'm going to making the copy paste of this one. URL so image name changing. Outline same code, sir. The second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 movies. That's why numbering I'm using without getting the confusion. I'm clearly writing that numbering. Eight movies. Go and check it once. Copy pasted together. Same picture. Back. Next, change the images address, images and URLs. The second one, I'm taking some KGF. Second movie. Order your interest, sir. 4 stars. 5 oh yeah, 6 one bonus point. So KGF, okay. Now the image name. So second one also prepared. Huh? Extension may be different and I think. So we are and KGF. Next, the third movie. What is Triple R? So movie 3 Triple R. So third one is also ready. Four kada. Dinu go 5. Next one, fourth one. Vikram. The fourth movie, Vikram, I am taking here. It's Kamal Hassan Vikram, sir. Previous one, Vikram Rona. Sudeepo, Sandeepo, I think. This is Kamal Hassan. Ganni 5 Yes, I also selected super duper hit movies only. Next, the fifth movie, Rocketry. Mana Madhavan movies, scientist movie. And the Mirzodopote one. Once we'll see. So, okay, all are working. Next one, sixth movie, Dog. Sixth one, Dog. Choosera cinema. Hollywood Dog. Not Kannada Dog. Charlie different, Dog different. Yeah, Charlie Kannada movie. This is Hollywood movie. The next one, this is also Hollywood movie. Third, seventh. Yes, seventh one. Next, eighth one. Eighth one not available. But picture we have eighth one. Brahmastra. Ista. Manu వాళ్ళు ఫీల్ అవ్వమనా. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Content ready. This content we want to apply in the proper format. The Brahmastra link not available in iBomma, sir. Then only I have not copied that one. Balance all the movies we have in iBomma. So this link is missing. And a recently released movie. The dummy link we placed here. Just leave it. So HTML part is completed. Total I used 9 division tags. 8 division tags for the 8 movies holding, and all these 8 division tags we placed inside one main division tag, that is the container tag. Next, go to as usual the style and take the ID selector, because we want to apply the styles for the only main division tag only. So go for the ID selector. What is the ID selector name, sir? Main division. That is this one. Next, apply the concept display colon grid. Display colon grid. No special changes, just because we applied only grid only. Rows and columns, if you decide it, then we'll get the difference. Generally, we are using the grid hyphen template hyphen columns in generally. So what are the sizes, sir? Auto, 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 and auto. 4 columns and 2 rows. 4 columns and 2 rows. But images having different sizes, sir. Of course, last example also we have images in different sizes. We control that all images with some CSS settings. And now also we have to write it. But in this program, I'm not going to using the template columns. I'm going to using the special CSS option that is used for responsive designing. Previously, I'm not explained, sir. First time I'm going to implementing that one. Responsive designing, one related one predefined function is available. A gridded template, it's common, sir. So gridded template after we'll get an option repeat. Repeat option is comes. Repeat option inside, we have to write some measurements here. What is the use of these all the things, sir? Responsive designing. First time we are going to using this. If I don't want to responsive designing, sir, I need the normal design, sir. Like as last program, autos. Simple thing. But already we developed one example like this, sir. This example is the responsive I want to implement it. You are also getting some additional knowledge. Next, before that one, I'm writing one body tag also here. Body tag also. Why body tags are? Now my current whole page is available in white color. The white page color I'm changing. But iBomma gray color it will comes now. So same style I'm also changing. The whole body. So body background gray I'm going to taking here. Not black, gray. Go and check it once. Background gray color applied. And alignment changed. This second property I deleted, sir. Grid template concept I deleted. So that only alignment changed. That is not related to background. On top of that one, I need some headings, sir. iBomma already available kada. In place of iBomma, my bomma and betkondi. My bomma. Or your website kabatti your bomma. Okay, balance things we'll see in tomorrow session. Thank you all.